Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Mazda 2 2008 to 2010 airbox. So first you want to undo these 4 clips. Then you want to pull the cover up towards you and pull the air filter out. Next, we've got our new Ryco fuel economy filter. We'll be testing that. So next you want to get your new air filter and compare it to your old one. Mine's obviously not that dirty, but I've cleaned it, but it's worth replacing. But now you want to lift up the cover, and now you see the I'll show here in a minute. Now as you see the round edge, make sure that's in the top left hand corner, otherwise you could get vacuum leaks. And now just do the reverse procedure of putting the airbox back in by putting the 4 clips in. That's our mass airflow sensor down there. We'll be cleaning that. I'll show you guys how to take it out and install it back into the car. So once you've done your 4 clips on your air filter, just obviously put your older air filter somewhere, probably back in your box, so keep it as a keeper for later. Okay, now you've got 2 screws on this mass airflow sensor. So there's one, I'll show you in a second. There's 2 screws, so one at the bottom left and one at the top, which will come now. So you want to undo that screw, and then there's another screw coming now, and it's located just like between the transmission dipstick. If you've got a manual car, this would probably be easier for you. A manual Mazda 2. Alright, so now you see that little sensor there. You want to make sure you spray that about 10 to 15 times according to your mass airflow sensor cleaner bottle can. And then you want to get the hot wires inside of the mass airflow sensor. Now the reinstallment. So just the same procedure. If you've got the battery in the way and you don't have tools, just stick to the end of the video. I'll show you how to remove the battery. But if you've got tools that can fit between the battery, just keep following. So now you want to hand tighten your screws because you don't want to lose them, otherwise they're going to go into the void and you'll never get them back. And now you want to plug your mass airflow sensor back in until you hear the click. So make sure you press it all the way in until it clicks. Like so. Give it a side pull, make sure it doesn't come back out, and you should be good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the battery, which I'm not going to actually remove the battery, but if you've got hand tools like I'm using right now, this procedure you can do it without removing the battery. But if you've got screwdrivers and you don't have hand tools like I do, you will have to remove the battery. So first, make sure you obviously don't have any tools near the positive terminal, otherwise it will cause a spark. But first, disconnect the negative terminal, then disconnect the positive terminal, and then there's a little handle, pull upwards, and then also you've got to disconnect these 2 retaining battery tensioners down, and actually just pull the battery upwards, and basically you can get access to your mass airflow sensor. And now that's going to wrap this video up, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for my next video, which will be an oil change on this car. So